here we want to change the style of these radio buttons. So just to select this and click on gear icon, or directly double click on the particular control. Then we will be getting all the control related things. So here this is the property name, this is the display name, and the visibility. We'll discuss all this in the coming classes. And we are bothering about the presentation should be of different format. So for radio buttons there will be one OOTB presentation. Go to the presentation tab for that, and here orientation, it is showing something like vertical and horizontal. By default there is vertical, so presentation tab is completely for the styling only. So this is for the vertical. So vertical meaning it is showing one above the other. If I just select horizontal, it should be coming one and male and female side by side. And if you want to change the style of that, there this is the control. So this is the control, and it is asking us to change the format of here. So by default it is standard, and click on other. And if you just click on down arrow, we will be having something like segmented. So standard is the one what we are seeing now, and if we just select segmented, now let me show you how it will be changed. So this is how it can be changed. Oh, let me save this, and we can able to see the output as well. So instead of we creating the new work object ID, we can open the same and click on refresh. We can able to see the changes what we have done. So this is how it will be looking. So by default there is no selection happened, and if you want to select male, we can able to do that. If you want to select female, we can able to do this. So this is the one of the style what most of the business is asking these days for radio buttons. So that's what I wanted to include now. Images, we have to create one binary. So binary is the name of the rule. So that will be under technical rule category. So right click, create. So this data model we used for the properties, and this user interface for the sections, and this process for the flow and flow action, and there will be something like technical category. So if you mouse over on that, there will be something called binary. So just click on that binary. So it will be asking for the rule creation name. I am giving something like CHG banner image. We have to give one directory. Directory is something like one folder only. So prpc will be having many images now. So this is one of the image, this is one image, these are all the images only, these are all the OOTB images. So prpc will be having one big library of images. So in that library, if we want, we need not directly go and search for the each and every image. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to create one folder kind of thing. Directory meaning which will be kind of an one folder specific to our project. Whatever the thing you want, you can able to put it. And what is the image you are trying to upload? So by default, we have to first identify the extension. It might be either PNG or JPEG or GIF, whatever the thing we want to upload. We have to give the extension name here. I want to upload one PNG image, so give it like this, and I want to use it in my framework context. So before that, you have to download one image, or if you have any image ready, make sure the extension of that image and what you are giving here should be same. Okay, so I have downloaded one image. Let me show you that first. So this is the image I have downloaded, and this is of PNG format. So I want to upload this image, and this is of PNG. Let me do that here. I have changed the context and click on create and open. So here we are trying to create one binary rule, that is important. Here we have to upload the image. So if we just click on upload, we have to select the file. So this is the file. Just save this and open. So the format is same, PNG. Now upload. Upload. So it is asking please save image for the preview. So we have to save this rule to see the preview of that image. So now click on save. So this is the image what I have uploaded just now. Okay, so once we upload the image into our prpc library, that will be stored for permanent. And if you are trying to delete the same image from your computer like hard disk, no problem. Why? Because we have already uploaded the image into our prpc library, and you can able to delete it from your local laptop also. So that is the advantage here. So we have already saved this. So one binary rule has been created one binary file. Once the binary file is created, the next thing, if you want to include it here, what we have to do is we have to drag and drop one control called icon. So before that, let me take one additional dynamic layout. If I want to show this image at the top, I'm taking one additional dynamic layout. So dynamic layout is nothing but small segregated parts. That's it. So from the basic, we can able to drag the controls. So for the image, I want to take icon here and put it in the first thing. Okay, so one image thing has been appearing, and this image has to be given with the binary file what we have created just now. So double click on that, and icon source, I want to give it as an image. So select the image here, and now we have to give the image name what we have just used for uploading. So if you don't remember, just click on this gear icon. We will be getting access to the library, and the name directory name what we have given, we can able to directly search with that. So this is the image I have uploaded. Just select and click on OK and click on submit. So we can able to see this image uploaded here. Okay, now if we just save this, it should be reflecting it in our output. So just refresh, actions refresh. So here we can able to see this output. Okay.